Thunderstruck. I have yet to create an icon for this, so in this episode I will teach you how to do that using Click Team Fusion 2. If you don't know about this, it's available on Steam. You can get it on a download. Yeah, you know how to install stuff. So let me go ahead and I'm going to assume you don't know anything about Click Team Fusion, but I'm going to teach you the things. First off, I'm going to grab a capture of this rocket, just like that. Alright, here we go. We're going to make a new one, which is this one, or Control-N, whatever. Double-click Frame 1. Right-click the white square. Insert Object. We want Counter. And then place it right there. There it is, Counter. And you want to change this Properties Counter. You need to Edit by Animation. There we are. Now, we can hit Control-A, delete, and then Control-V. Clipboard image is larger, say yes. It'll pop up this little screen, and you want to get rid of the background, right? So, what you want to do is go to this little fish icon, Transparency. Transparency color is currently white. Let's go ahead and change that and select by this. Hit OK. It should just be automatically. Hit Crop, and bing bang boom, you have your new rocket icon. Go ahead and save that. Current image. Say Thunderstruck. Icon. Save. OK. And you can save it for future use, but we'll just minimize that for now. Here we go. The icon. We'll put this back up. Save this right. Oh, whoops. You need to actually open the folder itself. So, my bad. Thunderstruck, it's a rocket. So, there you go. Thunderstruck rocket. I already put something in here. So, I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And we're going to replace it by the new one. So, this is a little extra thing that I figured out. You can put extra time on it or little icons next to it if you want. You don't have to do this, but it's something that's basically for me only. Sorry, not for me, but you can do this too. I just personally like this. I usually put like how many seconds it takes. Like it takes about 5 seconds to explode and do all the effects. So I'm gonna put insert using, sorry, you need to have Photoscape for this. Photoscape X. You can download this off the Windows. Sorry about that. And once you install that, you can open it, double click that. Kind of have to do the by default. You have to set Photoscape X by default editor. So anyway, set it for 5 seconds. I'm gonna put it as 5 seconds. But you can even put a little figure in here, little triangle shape, or I don't know what else you want. You could put it like a salute right there, I guess. Hey, Dad. Sorry about that, Jack. Dad far well knows that I like to stream on Sundays, and yet he still figures out how to ruin it. I don't know. Anyway, now it is set to sprite. You have to set it to sprite. And once it's done set to sprite, you can put Thunderstruck, just drag and drop here, and save. Easy as that.